Hi there, we are at 2245 Larkin Street. This is apartment 19, top floor studio. So right when you come in here, got hardwood floors throughout the unit. First thing on your right is a large walk-in closet. Okay, then we have full bath, pedestal sink. We got original tile here on the floor, tile surround in the tub over shower. Okay, and a mirrored medicine chest. That does open up, there's some shelves inside. Coming into the main room, we are facing due east. This is on Larkin at Union Street in a prime Russian Hill location. All right, electric wall mounted heater. We are going to have a rod put up here and some opaque white curtains hung, and that'll be some additional closet space. Coming into the kitchen, we have a fridge, gas range, tile floor here in the kitchen. Another big window, gets great natural light. Black granite countertop here around the kitchen sink. And then these great original floor to ceiling built-ins. So some additional storage space there. This building does have on-site laundry, 2 washers, 2 dryers. It uses an app called ShinePay, so you don't have to fight for quarters. All right, and then there's some optional storage space available as well if somebody wanted a little additional space outside of the unit. Okay. This has been a quick look. Please reach out if you'd like to schedule an appointment or attend one of the open showings. And again, this is 2245 Larkin at number 19.